Luther Family Ford providing us with this view of the I-29 exit at the 32nd Avenue area. It's not too bad out there. We did get some temperatures that were once again well above average. We are down to 26 degrees now under cloudy skies. Wind not too bad. After we saw some afternoon flakes of snow, Moorhead, your temperature still 30 degrees. Elsewhere, 19 for Valley City, 20 in Devils Lake, and 19 as well in Langdon this Friday evening. In Grand Forks, it is 24 degrees. Feels like hockey. That's for sure. 28 for Wahpeton, Breckenridge, 18 in Wadena. And we have a lot of stuff to talk about. First of all, this little weather wiggle that worked through, as it moved through South Dakota, dumped a little snow in our southwestern counties, but brought a lot of wind as well with gusts over 40 and 50 miles per hour. More wind in the forecast. We see some clearing skies that we noticed on our Skycam time lapse earlier in the show. And still some clouds across much of Minnesota heading into the early overnight hours. Nationally speaking, a lot of rain in the southeast and Mississippi and Ohio River valleys. And we have unsettled weather heading into the Pacific Northwest. For us, we're well between those systems. So for the most part, this weekend looks to be pretty good. But it's going to come with a couple hitches in the giddy up. Tonight, get out and enjoy. Temperatures slip, particularly where we have the clear skies, into the teens. We'll hold on to some 20s across parts of Minnesota. Heading into the overnight, we might even see some patchy areas of fog. But many of us start out our weekend at or near 10 to 15 degrees. The wind will not be a factor early in the day, but get ready to hold on to your hats. Here's why. By midday, we'll start to see a little bit of sun, temperatures rising. It's going to be a cooler day. We'll see afternoon temperatures in the 20s, and we get through the afternoon just dandy and fine. But late, look at the wind arrows start to populate here and pick up. So tomorrow night, moving out of the central Dakotas is going to be a big burp of gusty winds. Watch those wind arrows light up. And as we head through Saturday night and into Sunday, well, a warm front's going to push through. That's what's warming us up for Sunday, but it's going to come with some snow, some freezing drizzle, and a whole bunch of air that's in a hurry. More on that in a second. Right now, though, let's look at your forecast for your Saturday morning. Near 10 degrees in Fargo-Moorhead. Wind will be from the south, but it'll become more westerly as we go through the late part of the day. And temperatures only in the low to mid-20s for our afternoon, as we'll see a mix of sunny skies early, increasing clouds late with that weather hiccup making its way towards us. Your hometown forecast has 20s everywhere, the warmest in the James River Valley, where we'll see near 30-degree readings and a lot of low to mid-20s as well for a uniform temperature field across our area. Now, taking a look at that Sunday forecast as the wind works its way through and the rain showers and light batch of snow that will work its way through Saturday night into Sunday, quickly moving through, could coat area roads with a layer of slippery out there. And then your Sunday morning, take a look at this. When you see the yellows and reds, Hutch says winds gusting 40 to 55 miles per hour, punching in Saturday night into Sunday morning. You're going to hear this one, folks. And be advised, Sunday looks warm in the early half of the day, but mighty windy late in the day. Temperatures start going downhill, and we keep going down that path into your forecast planner for next week. Now, taking a look at this photo uploaded by Carla in the Gwinner area. A lot of snow, but some beautiful clouds out there as well. Thanks for taking the time to upload your photo. Now, planning forecast, as we mentioned, it does look like we'll have a pretty cool Saturday. Temperatures rising into the overnight with that gusty wind. 33 degrees, and there is a chance of some snow showers as we go through the overnight hours. Most of us won't notice anything but the wind on Sunday. Next week, you will notice temperatures falling each and every day, particularly Tuesday into Wednesday, Mike, 12 below. That's our first taste of Arctic nonsense. More coming Friday and into the weekend ahead. And your storm team here will keep our eyes on that for you.
Nonsense. You got that right.
Indeed.
Thanks.